Let's tune the ukulele to standard tuning, starting with the fourth string, the green one, which is tuned to G. Next, the third string, the red one, which is tuned to C. Next, our second string, the yellow one, which will be tuned to E. And finally, our first string, which will be tuned to A. When it's all tuned, your ukulele should sound like this. Thanks for watching. I'm Dean DeMarzo here at Paul Effman Music, and we'll see you next time.